హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ధృవి అకాడమిక్ ఛానల్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఛానల్. ఇందులో ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ మై ఛానల్. మీరు కనుక నా ఛానల్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చేస్తే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సబ్స్క్రైబే కాదు, లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. లెట్స్ బిగిన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఈరోజు టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ 10th క్లాస్ నుంచి మనము ప్రీవియస్ బిట్స్ క్విక్ రివిజన్. మనకి ఎగ్జామ్కి ఆల్రెడీ మీరు టాపిక్స్ చదివే ఉంటే యూ కెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజీలీ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. Okay, first one. During respiration, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in during respiration exchange, where it takes oxygen and the carbon dioxide takes place in, that is the question. Is it A, pharynx and larynx, or B, it's a trachea and lungs, C, it's a alveoli of lungs, or D, it's a larynx and throat? Which is the right answer? It's a right answer is it's a exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place in this alveoli of lungs. This is the right answer, because functions of the respiratory system that depends on to oxygen, that system moves to oxygen. The two gases are, one is oxygen and other is carbon dioxide, right? Whereas the oxygen moves from lungs to the blood streams kada. Oxygen anedi it move from lungs to the blood stream, whereas some in the same case, whereas in the carbon dioxide it passes from blood to the lungs. It passes from blood to the lungs, carbon dioxide. So this happens in the lungs. These gases exchange takes place in the there are millions of alveoli is present, so it's a alveoli of lungs. This is the right answer, C. Next, this is a quick revision. Manaki already me topics chade unte you can by seeing a question you can answer easily. Which of the following enzymes get mixed with the food in our mouth? Is it trypsin? B, it's a cellulose. C, it's a pepsin. D, it's a amylase. Which is the right answer? The enzyme that mix with food in our mouth, that is the answer is a right answer is a, it's a amylase. D is the right answer, because amylase is a it's a salivary enzyme that mix with the food in the mouth. So D is the right answer. Next one. The mode of nutrition in mushroom is it a heterotrophic, or B, it's autotrophic, or C, it's a holozoic, or it's a C, parasitic? Which is the right answer? Its answer is a heterotrophic is the right answer, because mushroom is a hetero, because they contain they cannot actually they cannot perform photosynthesis. So photosynthesis, they feed on organic matter. A is the right answer. Next one. Which of the following statement is an not correct? Is it A, bronchus is divided into bronchitis, and the opening leading to the larynx is called glottis, or during inhalation ribs moves inward and diaphragm is raised, or D, its oxygen has more affinity with the hemoglobin than carbon dioxide? Which is the right answer? Its answer is during this is the right answer. During inhalation ribs move inward and diaphragm is raised. This is the right answer. Next one. Choose the correct statement. They are asking for the correct statements. Alveoli increases the surface area for exchange of gases, and oxygen from alveoli diffuses into blood, and carbon dioxide from blood diffuses into alveolar air. Or C, it's from the larynx, the air goes to pharynx, or the D, it's the trachea is not connected to the bronchi. Which is the right answer? Its answer is A. This is the correct statement. Alveoli increases the surface area of for the exchange of gases. This is the right answer. Next one. Question. The mode of nutrition in parasitic organism is. The nutrition in parasitic organism, is it A, heterotrophic, or B, it's autotrophic, or C, it's both autotrophic and heterotrophic, and D, none of the above? Which is the right answer? Its answer is A, heterotrophic. Why heterotrophic means? Because parasite obtains nutrition. They obtain the nutrition directly from body of the host, and harm the host. They will harm the host, and this type of nutritions come under Heterotrophics. This type of mode of nutrition in parasitic organisms, they come under the heterotrophics. So A is the right answer. Next bit. The undigested food is finally removed from the body through. Is it A, it's a large intestine, or B, it's a small intestine, C, it's anus, D, villi? Which is the right answer? The undigested food that is removed from the body through, its answer is a C, anus is the right answer. Because it's a anus also have another name that is also called as the anus, is also called as the ejection. Whereas undigested food, they are asking about undigested food, right? Undigested food, they come from the small intestine. The undigested food that come from the మనకి డైజెస్ట్ కానివి అవి ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయి అంటే మనకి స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ నుంచి వస్తాయి. అండ్ దే స్టే ఇన్ రెక్టమ్, దే విల్ స్టే ఇన్ రెక్టమ్ అండ్ passes out from the anus. So C is the right answer. Next one. Which of the following is not a 3-carbon molecule? They are asking which is not a 3-carbon molecule. Is it a pyruvate, or B, it's a ethanol, C, it's a lactic acid, and D, all of the above? Which is the right answer? They are asking not a 3-carbon, whereas pyruvate is having a 3 carbons, whereas lactic acid also having a 3 carbons. Which is not having means its answer is a ethanol. Ethanol is not having a 3-carbon molecule. So B is the right answer. Next one. In a photosynthetic process, atmosphere carbon dioxide is dash to carbohydrate. Is it A, oxidized, or B, it's reduced, or C, it's neutralized, or D, it's burnt? Which is the right answer? Its answer is B is the right answer. It's reduced, because photosynthesis oxidations and the reduction process water is oxidized, and whereas in the carbon dioxide that reduced, the carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrates. So B is the right answer. Next one. When water enters the guard cells, the stomato, is it A, opens, or B, it closes, or C, open or closes, or D, no effect? Which is the right answer? Its answer is A. Why A means because the entry of water, when they enter the when the water is entered in the stomato, they make a guard cells swell. The guard cells అనేవి swell అవుతాయి. So this lead to the opening of stomato. So this process lead to the opening of the stomato. So answer is A. Next one. On seeing food, our mouth waters. This fluid is actually is A, water, B, it's a hormone, or C, enzyme, and D, none of the above. Its answer is enzyme. Why enzyme means because when the salvia is produced from salivary glands, which is that is a liquid substance. So there is an enzyme. C is the right answer. Next, the enzyme pepsin is inactive in stomach without the presence of is it A, nitric acid, B, hydrochloric acid, C, acetic acid, and D, it's a butyric acid? Which is the right answer? It's a hydrochloric acid. This B is the right answer. B, hydrochloric acid is the right answer. Next one. It's a villi present on the inner lining of the intestinal wall. Is it A, it's a secrete enzymes for digestion, or secretes hormones, or C, decrease the surface area for absorption, or D, increase the surface area for absorption? Which is the right answer? It's a villi present on the inner line of the intestinal because they increase the surface area of the absorption. Because this villi or the small fingers, they are like a small finger, like they increases for the absorption of the digested food. So D is the right answer. Next one. During the cellular respiration, one molecule of glucose is first broken down into 2 molecules of. Is it A, acetic acid, it's a pyruvic acid, or it's a lactic acid, D, none of the above? Which is the right answer? Its answer is pyruvic acid. This is the right answer. B. Next one. Question. This is Rajiv was absent in the class because of muscle pain, having a muscle pain, which he claims to be due to excess of physical exercise he had done yesterday. This pain is due to he had done physical exercise, so he's getting pain. So this is a pain is due to formation of lactic acid or formation of acetic acid or formation of pyruvic acid and formation of hydrochloric acid. Which is the right answer? Its answer is because of the formation of a lactic acid he is getting a pain. Next one. Right part of a human heart contains, is it A, oxygenated blood, or B, it's a mixed blood, or C, it's a deoxygenated blood, or D, no blood? Which is the right answer? Right part of the human heart, it contain a deoxygenated blood. It contain a deoxygenated blood. Next one. The transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called translation, and it occurs in the part of vascular tissue called, is it A, xylem, or B, sclerenchyma, C, phloem, or D, collenchyma? Its answer is D, collenchyma is the right answer. Next, in a human each kidney has a large number of filtration units called, is it A, neutrons, or it's a B, neurons, C, Neptune, or D, nephron? In human, each kidney has a large number of filtration. They're having a large number of filtration. Those units are called, it's a D, nephrons. These are called a nephron. They're having large number of units for filtration. So those are called a large number of filtration unit. So that is called a nephron. Nephron is the right answer. Next. This is a quick revision. If you know the subject, you can answer easily each and every question. Next one. Single cell obtained is nutrition by, is it A, it's elementary canal, is it B, it's a phagocytes, or C, buccal cavity, D, it's a plasmolysis? Which is the right answer? Its answer is B, phagocytes are the right answer, because these phagocytes are like they are the single cell, like a single cell. For example, we can take as a amoeba. We can take a single cell as amoeba, right? The absorption of food particles from their environment. They absorb the food particles from their environment and they digest directly. What they do? They digest directly inside themselves. So actually there is no designated area. అంటే దానికి పర్టికులర్గా ఏరియా అంటూ ఉండదు. So of this cell where phagocyte takes place, the phagocytes that takes place as the food and they get absorbed. So this is the process. The single cell obtained, it's a nutrition by phagocytes. Next one. In a photosynthesis process, atmospheric carbon dioxide is dashed to carbohydrate. This is a repeated question. We learned పైన కూడా ఈ బిట్ అనేది చదివాము. ఫోటోసింథసిస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఇన్ అట్మాస్ఫియరిక్ దట్ వీ takes place by, it's oxidized, or B, it's reduced, or it's C, neutralized, D, burnt అంటే చెప్పాను ఇందాకనే, it's B, reduced. This is the right answer. చెప్పాను కదా, reduced means photosynthesis oxidation and reduction process. Whereas water is oxidized, or water is oxidized, and carbon dioxide that is reduced. Here carbon dioxide that is reduced to carbohydrates. When water enters in the guard cells, the stomata, I said open or close, see, no effect. It's I said already, it's a open. A is the right answer. చెప్పాను కదా, the entry of water, when the water is entered in the stomata, they make a food. They make a guard. Actually, when enter water, the guard cells they will swell. So this lead to the opening of the stomata. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.